Okay, super excited. So the renovation started in our condo today. They're just prepping for everything. It is going to be brand spanking new appliances, new carpet, hardwood floors, and all brand new paint, new countertops, new cabinets. It's going to be spectacular. So I'm going to take you to look at it now for the before pictures, and then we will take a look at progress, and then we'll take a look at after, and then I'll let y'all know. It'll probably be for rent as of May 15th. So anyway, let's go check it out. Okay, here are before pictures. Bathroom, or I'm sorry, bedroom, bath over here. Living area. We have a patio here and storage. And here's the kitchen, and that is going to be all different with new appliances, new cabinets. It's not going to be a breakfast bar. Well, it's going to be counter height breakfast bar, so we're cutting that down to open the room a little bit more. It's going to have all new lighting fixtures, and it is going to be spectacular.